Seventh report is Dashboard Financial. This will display graphical representations of key financial insights, mainly in terms of revenue and expenditure movement across periods. Click Run Report. Select the company. Select Financial Year. If you have budget code, you can select budget code and click Run. From this screen, you can view cash movement, all bank accounts. You can view trend analysis, sales, expenses, net profit before tax for these periods. And you can view this period versus same period last year, increased or decreased amount. You can view this period sales targets for every sales made in this year, expenses for this period.